Hello everyone. Today I'm teaching you guys about the network. Sorry I didn't say anything about this in the last video, but so now we have our network right here. Nice little one, and I think it's from Killer 2100, I think. And because you already give me this wireless one on the Gigabyte Assassin 2 motherboard, and they should give you one too if you buy the same as me, and or they should give you one if you have a motherboard. So now this is not a requirement, but if you guys are interested in about how to installing this, or you have problem installing this, and so now moving on to the installation. So it's like a graphic card, and yeah, only thing you have to do is the same as a graphic card, but the difference is you won't hit the click sound. So you have to really make sure it's in, and you push it. So now to make it stable, you have to screw this all in. Use the hand to start it first. Nice and easy. And I got two right here. Okay, so now using the screwdriver to make it locked and stable. So next we have the wire. The wire here, on the wire is a USB, and also you should be able to find that on your motherboard. And here we have our USB here. It's a motherboard, USB 1. So just put that in there, and the other one too. What this do is to make your computer to recognize you have wireless cable. So here we have our stuff here. All you have to do is put this in. Okay, this is not working for me for some reason. Okay, I will do that in my own time, but next we have our power one, and it's the same. You have to find that on your power supply, and I believe I couldn't find that again. This one, no. It's on your power supply, I'm pretty sure. I just couldn't find that right now. So thank you for your watching, and here we go. We have our CPU, wireless cables installed. So next, in our last one is installing the power supply.